don't know if any of you remember this fellow from a few weeks ago. He's lost another foot since we last videoed him. He might have blown off the table. They're quite light when this one was dried out, naturally, unfortunately, while climbing. But he fell off and I was like, hang on, where's this? Why do I have two post-it note pads? And then I remembered there was normally a cicada on one. Now this specimen was interesting because the wing is folded in the wrong direction, which hopefully wasn't painful. Now missing 2 feet. But died in the sun, so pretty much dried out. No ants or anything seem to have attacked it, taken its innards. But this is a male, and what happened is it's actually lost the top of the abdomen when it's fallen has, well, disappeared. And at first I thought, really? It's like one of the coolest parts. Actually, now looking at it, some of the wing is gone as well. Specimen is not aging well. It's extremely out of focus. If we have a look though, because this is a male cicada, we can actually see the anatomy of a cicada. How exciting, you might say. We can actually see the structures in the abdomen. Much simpler than the female, because it's essentially just muscles, or the remains of muscles. That allow the cicada to make its noise and become essentially a resonance chamber. So it's actually very cool. See if I can get better focus. Got digital zoom on this camera. If I had access to the microscope, which I don't, it'd be much more interesting, but that's about the best we can get. So we can see connecting from the top here. Almost see that. It's probably the worst time of day to be doing this. Sort of get an idea of where it all comes together. Structure and function. So very unfortunate for this specimen to have fallen off the bookcase, but at the same time it now serves a much cooler purpose. I hope you had a good life, little buddy. I guess I'll put this one outside once I'm done with the microscope, but just thought it was worth having a look before it probably falls off the shelf again. And I probably should move it from this shelf. You can actually see the, probably not on the camera. Maybe if I try flooding it with light. I'll try that in the next video.